Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Salesforce Data Import Wizard for accounts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your username and password to access your Salesforce account. Once logged in, locate the App Launcher icon in the top left corner. Click on the App Launcher icon to expand the menu. In the search bar, type Data Import Wizard and select it from the list. You will be directed to the Data Import Wizard interface. Here, you can choose to start a new import. Select Launch Wizard to begin the import process. You will see options for standard and custom objects. Choose accounts from the list of standard objects. After selecting accounts, click on the Next button. Now, you will need to choose your import option. You can either add new records, update existing records, or both. Select the appropriate option for your data needs and click Next. Next, you will be prompted to upload your data file. Ensure your data is in a CSV format, then click on Choose a CSV file. Select the file from your computer and confirm your. Once uploaded, the wizard will show you a preview of your data. Review the columns to ensure everything looks correct. Now, you will need to map your CSV columns to Salesforce fields. The wizard usually auto-maps fields, but review them carefully. If any fields are not mapping correctly, click on the drop-down menus to manually adjust. After verifying the mappings, click Next to proceed. On the next screen, you will see a summary of the import settings. Review the details to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once verified, click on the Start Import button. The import process will begin, and you will see a progress tracker. After completion, the wizard will notify you of the import results. You can download the import summary for your records. Finally, navigate back to your Accounts section to confirm the successful import of your data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.